Hey everyone, this is SKM Archive and welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. I must tell you, this is not any electronic gadgets or any headphones or any mobile phones. This is sleeper. Let's open it up. It took money 99 only and shipping charge was free. Let's see how it looks like and how it goes. Oh, Paytm mall. I got this delivery today, just right now, a couple of minutes ago. Yeah, it's pretty awesome and too lightweighted, and it must be comfortable. This GoGo.
That's in voice.
Okay, we need to sell the device. What is this shit? Okay. I think this is the first time that a YouTuber is uploading sleepers unboxing video. This is for entertaining purpose. Okay, thank you for watching this video and wait for next video.